Hello everyone, welcome to Simple and Nutritious Kitchen. Today we'll be seeing Matar ka nimona, a healthy side dish which is no onion, no garlic recipe. So for this we'll be requiring potato and medium size cube and green peas about 1 cup, either frozen or fresh, and coriander, a small bunch or a medium bunch also will do good. Cumin seeds around 2 teaspoons, red chilli 1. So first we'll begin by adding ghee to a pan, and to this ghee let's add the chopped potatoes and just fry them in this ghee. So you can see the potatoes are fried really well. And now take about half cup of green peas from the 1 cup of peas and just grind it to a coarse paste. So this is the consistency, and now add this ground peas to the same pan and just fry them till it gets crumbled. You can see the texture. And meanwhile in a mixer we'll grind in green chilies, ginger and coriander into a smooth paste. So now you can see the green peas has cooked well and it has also turned out crumble in texture. Now we'll just add ghee to a pan and add in the cumin seeds, red chilli. So we'll wait till the cumin seeds splutter. Stir it really well, and once this cumin seeds splutters, let's add in the spice powders. We'll begin by adding pinch of turmeric powder to this cumin seeds. Then let's add in the ground coriander, green chilli and ginger paste to this and saute till the raw smell of this coriander and green chillies goes away. So now you can see it is sauteed well. We'll add in the another half cup of whole green peas to this. Now let's add in a bit of turmeric powder and let's add in chili powder according to the spice requirement. Mix it well and add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of garam masala to this. Now add 2 small tomatoes chopped roughly to this mixture and fry them well till the tomatoes turn out mushy. Now add in the crumbled green peas which you have sauteed previously and kept aside. We'll add the crumbled green peas to this and let's saute it so that everything gets mixed well to a gravy consistency. To bring it to a gravy consistency, add in the required amount of water to this mixture and then allow it to boil well. Now last, add in the fried potatoes to this mixture and just allow it to come to a good boil. So once it comes to a good boil, you can check for the consistency of the gravy and then turn off the stove. Now you can see it is ready to serve. So serve this Matar ka nimona with hot fulka, roti or jeera rice. So eat healthy, stay fit and stay subscribed to Simple and Nutritious Kitchen. Thank you.